we here at DLC officially declare Salamanders Cove open. Salamanders Cove. It is so exciting to see students from Forest Ridge being able to come back after a year and play in Salamanders Cove to become more immersed in nature and just to be able to have fun.
I'm Teresa Velasquez from Forest Ridge Academy, and I'm their science teacher. And the children have had a wonderful time, even despite the cold. Everybody kept it wonderful. We still got to go to the beach and do everything we planned on. And these kids get to play in nature's playground. And they were the first ones last year, and they were so excited to come today. So thanks again.